Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra solution. Choose the correct option. This is the radical problem under root 45 plus under root 5. This type of question have many times asked in the International Maths Olympiad exam. So this type of question, how we can solve this type of radical question? So let's start the solution. It is very easy. Solution under root 45 plus under root 5. How we can write this 45? We can write this 45 and 9 multiply 5. 9 5s are 45 plus under root of 5. Solve this. This we have to separate. Under root 9 into under root 5 plus under root 5. Which formula we have used here? We used here under root a b equal to under root ab equal to under root a into under root b. This formula we have used here to solve this problem. Now see how we can solve this. Now this under root 9 is a square of 3 square into under root 5 plus under root 5. Now see here, this is square and square root will be removed, so we get here 3 under root 5 plus under root 5. Now here we can do the addition. Here 3 under root 5 and here 1 under root 5. Here is 1 under root 5 which not written. Here we can write then 3 plus 1 under root 5 that is equal to, we get 3 plus 1 that is 4 under root 5. We can write then here 4 we write inside the square root, that is square of 4, and here under root 5, right, equal to square of 4 is 16 into under root 5. Now we can write both this in under root, so we get here under root 16 multiply 5. Under root 16 multiply 5 is equal to, we get here under root 16 5s are 80. Okay, so understand this radical problems. I hope everyone have understand. So option 4 will be correct. Option 4 is the correct option. See here whole problem. This type of problem many times I have asked in International Math Olympiad exam. So if you are new on the channel, so subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye.